If you're experiencing a login failure in Baldur's Gate 3, particularly the error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Baldur's Gate 3 website or social media channels to verify if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your game library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block the game from connecting to the servers. Make sure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus isn't interfering with the game's connection. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.